Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video about Python and coding. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing variables and print statements. The example code will be in Python, but you can do this in any language. But the logic behind this will work in any language. Okay, so let's start with variables. Okay, variables are containers that can hold different types of data, such as numbers, strings, or even Boolean values. One of the main benefits of using variables in programming is that they allow us to store and manipulate data and also make our code more flexible and efficient. So as stated earlier, we can add data to a variable just like we add stuff to a box. Sometimes we might choose to remove stuff from a box, like we can remove data or reassign data to a variable. Okay. So let's take a look at some how variables work in Python. Okay, so I'm going to open VS Code, okay, right here. And if you don't have VS Code installed, there'll be a video down in the description, and it shows how to install Python and VS Code. Okay, so let's do new file. I'm going to call it tutorial.py. Okay, then I'm going to create the file. So what we need to do, a variable in Python has two parts: a name and data. So let's start off with a name of age, and let's give the data for that to be 25. Okay, and so we give the name a data by using this equal sign right here. Okay, and sometimes we want to see this stuff, because what's the point of having age equals 25? What's the point of having an age that equals 25 when we can't see it or we can't do anything with it? So this brings us to our next topic, which are print statements. And in print statements, it can print all types of data. Well, not all, but like many types of data types. And the way we can use it is by doing print, print, parentheses, and either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. And then we can do whatever we want here. So let's say hello. So I'm going to run this. And see over here, it says hello. Okay. So, and then what if we want to display the value in this age variable? That's simple. We delete the quotation marks and everything here, and we just put in age. Okay? So print age, let's go click run, and then here it says 25, which is what we have right here. And like I said, we can reassign values to variables just like we can give boxes new stuff. Okay? So we can say age. Let's say 2 years went by, age equals 27. So now if we ask Python to print age, it should print 27. So let's try it. And then here, it's 27. Okay? Another thing we could do is this doesn't only store numbers. It can store strings, like a name, let's say John. And let's print that out. See, John. And this print statement is what gives it, what puts it over here. Another thing we could do is we can have true or false values. This will be helpful later on in the series, but true or false values. So let's give it true. Okay. So I'm going to tell it to print age, and I'm going to run it, and it's going to give me true. Okay. So, but Python also has a cool feature with basic arithmetic. So we could do 4 plus 4, and it should be able to print that perfectly fine. See, it prints 8. So those are the basics of Python with variables, print statements, and I even added some basic arithmetic. And continuing on the arithmetic, you can multiply stuff using the asterisk symbol. And if we print that, it'll give us 16 right here. We can divide stuff by using the slash, and it should give us 1. See, it gives us 1. Or we could raise it to the 4th power by doing 4 asterisk asterisk 4. Okay, that should give us, I don't know off the top of my head, but it should give us a high number. See, 256. Okay, so that's a basic rundown on variables, print statements, and basic arithmetic, all in Python. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.